This chair is strong and lightweight thanks to its 25mm aluminum frame. Weighing in at only 3.8 kilos, yet have a weight capacity of 150 kilos, this director's chair packs a punch. The durable 600D polyester fabric makes this chair strong yet easy to clean. The addition of molded plastic armrests makes this chair comfort level in a class of its own. We've already said this chair was strong and lightweight, but how much space does it take up? Not a lot at all. When folded up, the Dmh Fraser Directors Chair is 55cm by 18cm by 90cm, which makes it easy to fit into tight storage spots. This chair is even a space saver when it's unfolded, measuring 95cm from the ground to the top of the back rack for full upper body support, with a seat height of 46cm and only 88cm wide including the fold-out table. To top it off, with a seat depth of 53cm, this just adds to the already comfortable chair. Take your camping and caravanning experience to the next comfort level with the Dmh Fraser Alloy Directors Chair.